cup unboxing. I ordered these from AliExpress. Get out there. Let's see how this goes. So it came in 2 boxes. As you can see, my baby is very nosy. Trying not to cut myself. Ah. Oh, girl. Oh, we got Foggy. Not sure what's going on with this focus, but okay. There we go. Oh, box is upside down, Jennifer. Okay. I guess it was dropped. Or maybe something heavy was on top of the box. Okay. My sublimation tumblers. Excuse the nails. I will get those done or do it myself real soon. Like today. Let me get this top off. Ooh, that's on there pretty good. Okay. And I thought these came, oh they did, the straws. The box is upside down. So there are the straws down there. Yes, I ordered 50 cups with straws. So there they are. We will try to sublimate on this tonight. And I will show you all how it turns out. Hopefully I don't burn it.